Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Students, today we will discuss about using Windows. Some points I explained you in my previous lecture and remaining points I will discuss here. Okay, now we will start from icons. But before starting, I will define you about our previous lecture. Student, this is the desktop. When you open your computer, this is your screen. The first screen you see, this is your desktop. Okay, and there you can see the small icons. Okay, they can be fewer or more icons you can see on your computer screen, but the common icons are computer, recycle bin, and computer network. Okay, icons. As you know, icons are the small pictures on the desktop. These are the small pictures on the desktop. This is the screen and is called desktop. These are used to open software programs. Etc. Desktop icons are also called shortcuts. Some commonly found icons are computer, network, and recycle bin. You can see computer, network, and recycle bin. These are the common icons that are present on the desktop. Your desktop may have fewer or more icons than shown here. Okay, students, whenever you if you want to open any software program, you just double click by using your mouse or by using keyboard. Just double click on the icon and the file will be open. Okay, so double click the icon on the desktop to select it. You may also use the keyboard to select the icons, and students use arrow keys on the keyboard to go to the specific icon and then press enter. Okay, students, look at this. This is your keyboard, computer keyboard, and here you can see the arrows. Okay, so you can also use these arrows and then click the enter button. Computer icon. Students, look at this computer icon. You all of you have this icon on your computer. Okay, this icon displays the content of the computer. It displays the drives available for working, as you can see in this picture. When you click on computer icon, you can see these files. So students, when you click on computer icon, you can see this image. Okay, it displays the drives available for working. These are drives. Student, this is the network icon. Okay, you see on your computers. It helps you to connect your computer with the other computers, like this, as you can see in this figure. Displays information about the computer connected to your computer. This is a figure using network icon. Okay, you can see in this figure. Next is recycle bin icon. Okay, this is the recycle bin icon as I showed you. Okay, beta, and why we use this icon? This is called recycle bin. Means when you delete a file or a folder, it doesn't actually get deleted right away. It goes to the recycle bin, and this deleted file remains in the recycle bin until you empty the bin, and this allows you to recover your files, folder if they are deleted by mistake. So still in the recycle bin, students, whenever we delete any folder, it remains here in the recycle bin, because sometime by mistake we delete any folder or file, and we need that file, so we can take this file from recycle bin. Okay, it doesn't delete till we use empty the bin. You can see, if we press the recycle bin, you can see this using recycle bin icon. Gadgets are mini programs that appear on the desktop. These are also present on the desktop in Windows 7. These gadgets offer information at a glance. They also provide easy access to frequently used tools. Some of the gadgets that come with Windows 7 are calendar, clock, weather, feed headlines, slideshows, and picture puzzles. As you can see here, clock, picture puzzle, and calendar. These are the gadgets. These are the mini programs on the desktop or in Windows 7. Okay students, our next topic is accessories. Windows 7 offers different types of accessories to its users. To open accessories, first of all we will click the start button, and then you can see the option all programs. Okay, so when we will click on all, on clicking all programs, you can find one more list. Okay, and when you put your arrow on the all programs, you can see the list, and here is you can see the shutdown button also. Okay, and here you can see the accessories. You find the accessories, and there is a variety of programs are found in accessories that can be used for different purpose in our day-to-day life. And students, you have already learned about Paint. Okay, you have already learned about Paint, and now let's learn to use some more accessories. So students, first of all, to open accessories, click on the start button, go to all program, and then select accessories. And here you can see a variety of programs. Students, have you ever seen a calculator in your home? This is used for subtraction, multiplication, division, and calculation. So it can also be used to perform more complex calculations also. Okay, students, these are the number keys. You can see here, these are the number keys. Okay, this sign is equals, and more signs. This is decimal sign, division sign, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. All these are the. Okay students, the calculations are done by pressing the buttons. For example, if you want to add, and you just click on 8, then plus 2, and then press equals. So you will get the answer here 10. Okay, when you will press 8 plus 2, they will written over here, and then after pressing equal, you will get the answer 10. So press 8 on the calculator, press the this sign, and then press 2, and after you can get the answer 10. So I hope you understand the lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.